If you're managing IoT assets, you know that data stream monitoring is a controversial mess. Everyone promises visibility, but most tools create more noise than insight. Today, I'll show you the scientific method behind truly reliable monitoring and how MonitorDataStreams delivers it. The problem in the assets industry is scale and complexity. You have hundreds, maybe thousands of sensors on critical equipment, each pumping out data. Generic IT monitoring tools fail here because they aren't built for the specific patterns and priorities of industrial IoT. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. They flood you with alerts for minor blips, causing alert fatigue, while missing the slow drifts or sudden drops that indicate real asset failure. See, this isn't just an IT problem. It's an operational risk that leads to downtime, safety issues, and lost revenue. So, how do we fix it? The technical method requires a shift from threshold-based alerting to behavioral baselining. Instead of just watching for a value to cross a line, we need to understand the normal rhythm of each data stream. MonitorDataStreams uses statistical process control and machine learning to establish a unique baseline for every stream. It learns the expected range, frequency, and relationships between streams. This allows it to detect anomalies that are statistically significant, not just numerically different. A common misconception is that more data equals better monitoring. Actually, it's about smarter data. The software focuses on signal integrity and connectivity health as primary indicators. It continuously calculates metrics like packet loss, latency jitter, and sequence gaps. By understanding the transport layer, it can often predict a sensor failure before the sensor data itself goes bad. Now, let's talk about what MonitorDataStreams specifically does. It ingests data from all your IoT protocols, MQTT, OPC Modbus, you name it. In real time, it performs a series of calculations. It checks for heartbeat pulses, validates data formats, and compares incoming values against their learned behavioral models. Every check is logged in a tamper-evident audit trail, which is crucial for compliance. The system also includes scenario modeling. You can ask what-if questions. What if this pressure sensor starts drifting by 2% per day? The software can model that scenario and show you the likely impact on related streams and asset health reports. Let me walk you through a hypothetical example. Imagine a water treatment plant with 200 pH and flow sensors. MonitorDataStreams has established that Pump A's vibration sensor typically shows a baseline range between 4.2 and 4.8 microns. Over 3 days, the software detects a subtle but steady increase to 5.1 microns. Simultaneously, it notes that the data stream from a nearby temperature sensor is becoming slightly more sporadic, with a 2% increase in packet retransmissions. The software correlates these two anomalies, a vibration drift and a connectivity issue, and raises a single high-priority alert. This allows maintenance to inspect Pump A's coupling and network junction box before a catastrophic failure occurs, preventing unplanned downtime. For compliance and reporting, MonitorDataStreams automates everything. It generates clear, stakeholder-ready reports that show stream health scores, anomaly history, and resolution actions. These reports are structured to align with regulatory frameworks like ISO 55000 for asset management. You can demonstrate due diligence and proactive maintenance with auditable proof, not just spreadsheet logs. In summary, MonitorDataStreams gives you scientific visibility into your IoT ecosystem. It replaces guesswork with data-driven confidence, ensures continuous data flow for optimal asset performance, and provides the audit trail you need for modern compliance.